Alright guys, welcome to yet another brand new video. In today's video we'll be showing you guys how to install a Tegiwa exhaust on my mate's Honda Civic. By the way, this is Zach. Say hi guys.
Okay, so you're going to start off by jacking up your car. If you don't do that, then there's no way you can really get to your exhaust unless you've got a four-wheel drive. And you want to make sure that you put some jack stands underneath it, otherwise you don't want the car to fall on top of you. And usually put something at the front of it, like some chocks. As you can see, we've got some bricks at the front of ours to sort of hold it in place. Once you put the stands underneath it, you want to drop it onto the stands with the actual jack itself, and make sure that you keep some pressure or tension on the jack.
Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to jack up your car, of course. That's the most important thing. Make sure you got a jack that's good enough height so you can actually start and lift it up. We actually needed to use a block of wood, as you can see over here, because our jack didn't actually go high enough, but the block of wood did its trick. If you're going to do this, we're not recommending it, but if you are, make sure you got a really thick piece of wood. That way it doesn't crack under the pressure. Also, we lifted it up from the tow hook, so obviously there's no diff to lift it up from because it's a front wheel drive car. But the tow hook is a pretty safe spot to do it from, as it can take all of the weight of the car, I guess. Then you want some good jack stands you want to put under the car, of course. Once you've done all that, you can go ahead and start removing the bolts. So we'll go ahead and show you that now. That's alright.
Alright, so if you have a look under the car, the exhaust system, we've got 3 14mm bolts right there. Shouldn't be too hard to get out.
Those are to remove what? The tips?
That will remove just this tip, just that's it.
Just the right tip, I think.
Yep, and then the whole muffler system, which also comes with this side exhaust tip, is later down over there, which I will show you in a second if we get under the car. We've got fuck, this is hard. It's too zoomed in.
You can't zoom out anymore.
Wait, alright, there's 2 bolts there. We might 1 and 2, and then there's 3 bolts all the way down there where the cut is. And that's the 3 parts of the exhaust system. So we're gonna start from the back and work our way to the front.
So what's that?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you've got 3 14mm bolts right here. That will take this part of the exhaust out, just this left.
No, that's the right tip.
That's the right, yep. That's the right tip.
Yep, that's the right one.
This whole muffler system, if you go under the car, this whole muffler system with the left tip is removed just under here. 2 bolts, I don't know what size. They look like 14mm.
Are they a good size?
They're good size, not bad.
Not bad.
And then you got 3 bolts all the way out the cap, which is, I think, a 14mm as well.
And all the way down the back down there,
All
right?
the way down there, yeah.
Fuck.
So hopefully we can reach them and get this install going.
Alright, sweet.
Hectic.
That's it. Okay, so I just went and got the spanners, and while I was doing that, this guy here somehow managed to get it loose. So when you've got Godzilla over here, you don't need spanners. You just hold it with your finger. Isn't that right?
That's it, mate.
That's it. What a cooker, mate. What an absolute cooker.
Work
Anyways,
hard, play harder.
Yeah, work hard, play harder, mate. Anyway, let's get into it. So, show us, how many bolts have you got off there, mate?
Just this one.
Just this one?
Just that one, buddy.
And what, there's 3, isn't there?
There's 3. One there, and then one
there. Alright, do you need a spanner for those, or are you going to Hulk it again?
No, I don't even need to hold it.
Alright.
You just got to Godzilla it, but I might use the extension. I might get this bottom one out first. Might be easier.
Alright. I'll get to it. Do you need this?
Yeah.
Very good.
Not bad, good size.
Alright, you ready? It's coming. Oh, I feel it coming.
Yummy.
Oh, I can feel it.
Yummy. Right,
Oh, it's coming. Oh, do I pull it? Oh, it just slid right out.
Is there a hanger?
There's a hanger. Yeah, there might be a hanger, guys, so we'll show you up in there. Can you show where the hanger is? So the hanger's up here, if you have a look where my hand is up here, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that where my hand
Should
is?
be able to see that.
If
Just the hanger, you just flick out.
Yeah, so you just got to pull the exhaust that way and sort of pull it out of the hanger. So we'll go and do that now. It's like a nipple, so you got to pull it out. It's like you know what a nipple looks like?
A nipple.
Yeah, it's like a nipple. So it goes small and then it's bigger to hold it in. Come on, you can do this, mate. I believe in you.
Just gotta.
Did you hit your head? Story of your life. Hey, we should have just taken the bumper off, hey?
Nah.
I'm joking.
Oh, what do you mean?
There she comes. Oh shit, look at that. Look at that little tiny exhaust, guys. Look at this. Look at how small it is. That is tiny. Look at that.
This
giant.
must have a bolt or just a hanger. It might just be held on by a hanger.
Maybe.
Oh, there's a hanger here.
Alright, so there's some more hangers over here, guys. I might get Zach to show you what they are if he's having a second to do so. So here you go, guys. In you go.
What do you just think? So that's all done. Yeah, just the hangers here then.
Yeah, so there's no bolts there, so there's just hangers.
Yeah. You see, just a hanger right there. No bolt, just one hanger. Just squeeze that out. I will do that now.
Can you shake it? Maybe we can show them. Yeah. So see there, it's sort of connected there. So point to where the next one is. Yeah. So the next few bolts are there, just for your reference. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and undo those bolts now.
Yeah.
Oh, the one all the way at the end isn't.
See, that's the spring I was talking about. It's a bit weird, eh?
Look at these filthy springs.
Oh, bro, it's gonna fall out.
It's not gonna fall. Relax. Are they the only two?
Yep, just two on that.
All right. So that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, this bad boy's coming out.
No, there's one more hanger.
It's not, bro.
There's one hanger at the other tip.
Oh, there is.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, I'm getting it out. You wanna help me?
Yeah, we're gonna go around to the last hanger. We actually missed the hanger before, so there's one more at this tip here. If you have a look. Oh, hi Zach. How you going, mate?
I'm great. I'm living the dream. Buddy.
Living the dream. So up here on the last tip, there's a hanger back there where round about where his hand is. So we're gonna set you guys up so you can watch the action unfold. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Out comes this bad boy.
That was so easy, bro.
Yeah, that was like
Piece of cake.
10 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Let's do it again. Now in reverse.
So that is where the cat is. So we're gonna remove this and then install the new exhaust. It should be just 14 mils. A hanger, also a hanger right here, and then that should be it. So we'll get to it.
Yeah. More hangers, good fun.
This one looks alright to get out though, the hanger. So
Alright.
it should be alright. Is that on?
Looks like it. Yep, we got her.
Hectic! And then there's a hanger here.
There you go. Down she comes, and that's the midsection, boys and girls. That's that. Oh, stocking bolts. That was a lot easier than the rear, wasn't it?
It was actually. Bro, the impact gun saved us so bad. I wouldn't have got a socket in there. Alright, wash the hands maybe? Or do we just go for it?
No, fuck it, just do it. Your hands are gonna get dirty anyways. Alright, so that's the that's the midsection out. And that's what the big fat rear section looks like. Both tips there. Look at those ugly tips. Okay, so that's the midsection there. So we're gonna go ahead and rip off this foam, and then we're gonna get started on installing that. So we just went ahead and got the two hangers in at the cat. That was a mission and a half. and yeah, Zach's just having a rest. So that's all done now. We can go ahead and move to the back of the midsection, and then we'll go to the rear section.
So you hold the muffler and I'll try and get it in.
Alright, well, we got the muffler here and the single tip. So he's gonna grab that end and I'm gonna grab the tip, and we're just gonna start shimmying and moving it until it gets in. And you guys are gonna be in a time lapse watching us do it and laughing. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, come on, let's go. Alright guys, so we've been here for a while. Probably been like 5 seconds for you guys, but we had to undo the bolts on the part that connects the mid piece to the rear piece, just because it was like mission impossible trying to get the hangers on. Now we're not going to give you an in-depth tutorial on how to do that, but we'll tell you roughly the order that we went in to get it to work. So we went the back left hanger here first, and then we went that one over there on the right. And then last one we're going to do is the one up here at the tip. I suggest starting with those two. Well, this is not actually screwed in, because if you try and do this while it's screwed in, you will not be able to get the angles you need to get it in place. We ended up taking the actual rubber off the hangers and then put it on the hangers of the exhaust first, and put it on like that. But again, do whatever works for you. Like I said, we got a Hulk here. Like, look at those guns. This guy here, if it wasn't for him, probably wouldn't be able to do that. So try it your way, and good luck with that. We're going to keep continuing, and you guys can keep watching. Ladies and gentle people, this is V1, V only, the final moment of truth. Let's get you that angle. So this is V. Last hanger. And we will go ahead and put this one right in there now. Ready?
Moment of truth, bro.
Have you got yours all in?
Yeah, man, mine's all good.
Alright.
I might just tighten up the bolts, get the cat later, but put that in first.
Ooh. We're almost in.
Almost. Do you want me to push it up?
No, it's in the right spot. I just need to push it in. Ooh, there it is. It's on the nipple now. And there you have it, boys and girls. And I think there's one more if you really want to use it on over there.
For there?
Yeah.
This one looks pretty tight. I think that side would do. Might as well.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen, and that's it. The exhaust is done. So we're just gonna go and tighten up a few bolts down the front, and that's everything. Yeah, we got all the hangers in place.
Hangers in place, yep.
Man,
Pretty secure.
some people use zip ties for this thing. Lucky we use hangers, eh?
Yeah.
All right, let's get those bolts tightened up. I won't show you guys that. We'll just tighten them up. Then we'll start it up, and you guys can see what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Hectic VTEC.
Impact gun for the front bolts.
Yeah, get the impact gun. Car's down, and we'll bring you over here, have a look at the the block of wood. Look, they put a damn indent in there, the stupid tow hook. Oh, there you have it. So that's all done. We'll do a startup now.
Hectic.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Let's do some startup audio.
Thank you.
Ooh,
A little bit.
it's a little bit louder.
But this is where there will be a big difference.
Damn.
A little bit. Not much, honestly.
But you can hear a little bit.
It doesn't sound like any exhaust leaks though, right?
Give it a rev, mate. Sounds deeper.
It's all good, turn it off.
That's that. So I hope you.
What, 2.5 hours all up?
Oh yeah, about 2.5 hours worth of work.
Yeah.
Maybe if you're less spastic than us, half an hour. No, I'm joking. But anyways, yeah, that's it, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, let us know if you want Honda videos or if you want Nissan videos, and we'll make more videos for the Honda or the S15. Thanks for watching the video. Catch you all next time. Peace.
Peace.